Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to go viral on Bigo Live. So if you want to go viral on Bigo Live, or going viral on Bigo Live requires more than just high quality streaming. You must strategically trigger the platform's engagement based algorithm as well. First thing first, you have to use a specific formula like identify niche plus schedule or call to actions, and include a searchable terms like ASMR, gaming, fitness, or cooking to help discover the engine categorize your content as well. You also need to use high quality professional headshot with a clean background. Avoid casual selfies as an algorithm favors business like presentation as well. And you could also master the algorithm boosting tactic. That means simply greeting a new viewer by name can increase your algorithm personalized by 40%. Now you could just go and explore the terms and conditions policies as well, and accordingly follow on the on-screen prompt, and by that you could go viral on Bigo Live. So that's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.